Track layout. Got Bob doing some hot laps. Whoops.
I'll try to stay on the track.
I don't know if you guys can see that layout or not. All right, yeah, we got some track now. Gosh, Bob.
Yeah, I'm like you now.
Uh-huh.
Sliding off.
You sliding off on that one corner over there?
One corner.